Okay, so here we are on the BMW 6 Series, E63, E64, both the same. So I need to adjust the headlight beam. Now I'm over in Spain, and to do that I've got to take the front wheel off, and then you go through a hatch just inside the wheel arch, and there should be a switch. So I'm going to show you that and check the beam. First of all, I did take it into a garage and just checked the beam alignment on a wall. I'll put a screenshot up of that so we can see that as well. Okay, so here we are, wheel off, 17mm bolts obviously on the wheel, and then you get inside there and just at the top 2 8mm hex heads, and then obviously you've got access to the cover. So into the cover next. So obviously bulb access. To change this bulb, obviously you've got the 2 spring clips down the bottom there, so just squeeze them in and then pull out the bulb. There's probably a cable on it as well, I'd imagine, so that needs to come out. So yeah, the bulb's easy to pull out. Do the 2 clips at the bottom, and then obviously you've got your connector underneath there. So these are 35 watt. Hopefully they're going to be different, because the ones I've got, they're meant to be super bright, but they also say 35 watt, which are these ones. So I just took a photograph before unplugging this one, just to see the brightness and then compare it to the other one. Okay, the bulb's in, and I've now found the lever. I was looking for a black lever, so literally that white lever just in front of my finger there goes up and down and it clicks. Trouble is, I've done it so many times now, I don't know which one's which. So for reference, the lever is, let's get, yeah, it's just there. Obviously you drive on the right hand side in Spain, so you want your higher beam on the right, and then the lower beam on the passenger side, which is facing the oncoming traffic, to not blind them. So that's how it's done. Should be super easy, which it is. So it's just fiddly because you've got to take the wheel off to obviously get in there. Okay.